So, on the back, we have 1,000. Let's start with number 1.
10.
1,000
10.
centiliters is equal to how many liters? Anybody? Anybody? Bueller? Bueller? Oh wait, let's solve it. Let's solve it for everybody. So, how do we do this? Well, you write down what you know. You write down what you want to turn it into, liters. Then you set up your little horse corrals, if you want to do it this way. And you write in something that's equivalent. We need to go from centiliters to liters. So on the bottom, I'll write centiliters. On the top, I'll write liters. And how many centiliters are in a liter? How many cents are in $1? 100 cents. 100 cent is in $1 hair. Now, when I do the math, my units will cancel out, centiliters out, and my answer will be in liters. Now I can divide. 1,000 divided by 100 is equal to 10, thank you, 10 liters. Any questions?
That looks like
I know, how embarrassing. There you go, liters. Number 2 for the band. 120 millimeters is how many centimeters? Write down what you know. Write down what you want to turn it into. Make your horse corral. Set up your conversion. I know there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. We know that from our ruler. You see the little centimeter line? The millimeter lines? There's 10 of them. Cross out your units. We can see we've set it up correctly. 120 divided by 10 is equal to... What is it? 12, thank you. Flip it over, let's do a question from the back. Word problemos. Number 4. We are driving to Las Vegas. Woo! The sign says that it is 145 kilometers to Las Vegas. What is this, the olden days? Why would it be 145 kilometers? Oh well, maybe they're appealing to their European visitors. Anyway, how many meters is it to Las Vegas? 145 kilometers. So, write down what you know. 145 kilometers. Write down what you want to turn it into. Meters. Now we need our conversion factor. Let's see, kilometers to meters. There is 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. My units will cancel out. Do the math. 145,000. 145,000 meters. Hecameters. You have another way? You have another answer?
Yeah. Well, it's a lot. No, it's the same answer, but way east.
Right. And you can move the decimal point.
Yeah. That's what I mean.
The problem is, the moving the decimal point trick works great for converting between units within the metric system. But it doesn't work so great if you're going from, moles to grams to pounds, if you're going to feet to inches, if you're trying to convert one fancy unit to another unit in different things. It's not going to work as well. It won't work. It's just moving the decimal point. But within the metric system, yes. And if you look at the other side of this worksheet, there's those little circles. And those circles will help you see how to move the metric. See the little arrows and how many spaces you go one way or the other. It helps you with that. Does anybody have any questions? Any questions? Please solve a few.
word problems or
Either one. And if anybody has questions, I can answer them.